All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's do this we do. We had issues with the last I do, but this we do looks like it's pretty good. All right, let's go to rules. Okay. So let's read. Steven has two different spinners. He spun each spinner several times and recorded the results in the tables below. So we have spinner one, and then we have spinner two. Okay. Based on these results, if Steven spins each spinner 60 times, which statement is true? A, spinner 1 would land on red 4 times as many times than spinner 2 would land on black. Spinner 1 would land on red the same number of times as spinner 2 would land on black. Spinner 1 would land on red half as many times as spinner 2 would land on black. Spinner 1 would land on red 8 more times, spinner 2 would land on black. So after we read it, we'll cross off the R. Now let's underline the specific question, okay? Based on these results, if Steven spins a spinner 60 times, which statement is true? Okay, true 60 times. Key information. All right, we'll box the different types of colors on both spinners, and then we'll put an oval or a circle around all the numbers, okay? Now it says that he spun each spinner 60 times. So initially, he spun spinner 1 20 times, and spinner 2, he spun that 10 times, right? Now to get these to 60, we got to multiply spinner 1 results by 3. We got to multiply spinner 2 results by 6. Because remember, it says that he then spun him a total of 60 times each. So 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 6 is 12. 6 times 1 is 6. 5 times 6 is 30. Okay? Now we have 24. 8 times 3 is 24. And then we have 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 6 is 18. Okay? So now we have L. We've labeled and annotated. So now what we're going to do is we're going to multiply. We're going to evaluate. So let's look at the answer options here. So spinner 1 would land on red 4 times as many times. Spinner 2 would land on black. So spinner 1 would land on red 24 times. Spinner 2 would land on black 6 times. So how many times? So if we do 24 divided by 6, that would give us 4. So 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. Okay? So the answer to this question is true. This is a true statement. Spinner 1 would land on red 4 times, as many times as spinner 2 would land on black. So the answer A is correct. Let's look up the other options though. Spinner 1 would land on the red the same number of times, and then spinner 2 would land on black. So spinner 1 would land on red 24 times, spinner 2 would land on black 6 times. So this is not the same, okay? So the same number of times is not correct, so we cross off B. Let's look at C. Spinner 1 will land on red half as many times, spinner 2 will land on black. So red is 24, black would have to be 48, but black is 6. So this word is incorrect, so it's not going to be C. Okay, let's go to D. Spinner 1 would land on red 8 more times than spinner 2 would land on black. So black is 6 on spinner 2. It'd have to be 14 for spinner 1. So it's not going to be D. Okay, it's not going to be D. All right, the correct answer is A, ladies and gentlemen. So that's how we solve this we do. We evaluated by multiplying to get the correct product, which is 60. And then we selected the correct answer. All right, the correct answer is A. Correct answer is A. All right, thank you all for watching. I hope this video helps.